Hey everyone, I've got a fantastic product to share with you today. Let's start with the design. Minimalist, elegant, and super trendy. The price? A total steal for the quality. It's hard to believe. What's even better is how versatile it is. Whether it's for your living space, office, or as a gift, it's got you covered. Check the description for more details, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cool finds. See you soon. Hey everyone, I've got a fantastic product.